Today, I'm going to teach you a strategy that can help you make a daily profit of $500 to $1,000. While it's not possible to profit every single day, this strategy can deliver profits on 20 out of 30 days, which is a solid win rate. So, without wasting any time, let's start the video. In this strategy, we need to look for stop loss hunting. While stop loss hunting can happen at any time, we'll primarily focus on the New York session. The time frame doesn't matter for this strategy. You can use anything from a 1-minute to a 30-minute chart. Here on the screen, I've opened a 15-minute chart for gold, where we can see a downside momentum. As mentioned earlier, our goal is to identify stop loss hunting. For those who don't know what stop loss hunting is, let me explain with a simple example. Let's say the price breaks down and gives confirmation with a bearish candle. Logically, retail traders would open a sell position here, with their stop losses placed around this level. Now, even though the price is going to move lower, it will first come up to hit these stop loss levels, trigger them, and then continue moving down. This is what we call stop loss hunting. I hope this simple example makes it clear. Now the price has formed a large bearish candle and then tried to move upward. There's a previous support level here, so some buyers might have entered the market with their stop losses near this level. The price comes back to hit those buyers' stop losses and returns to the support level. This means that whoever opened a buy position here had their stop losses triggered by this candle. We can say that stop loss hunting has occurred here. After the stop loss hunting, we need to wait for confirmation. For confirmation, we should wait for the closing of a bullish candle. Once the bullish candle closes, we wait for another confirmation, such as another bullish candle or further stop loss hunting. Here, we can see that after the bullish candle closed, there was another instance of stop loss hunting, meaning we've received another confirmation. At this point, we can enter a buy-side trade. For our target, we can aim for the previous high or use a percentage-based target. With this setup, we should maintain a 1% stop loss and a minimum target of 3%. I've added the links to learning ebooks in the description below. If you're interested in learning more, feel free to check them out. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.